September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Toya. Thank you guys for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do single-leaf twists on my own hair. That's what they look like. And the hair I used is, one second. It's going to be the Premium Ultra Braid what is this? Expression hair, and it looks like this. Well, that's part of the pack. It's going to be this. And this is 42 inches. So I already started my hair. I've done two. And my hair is old, but I want it like that because I don't wash my hair that often because it dries it out. I already moisturized it with my coconut oil that y'all saw in the last video. So I'm going to show you how I do the next one. And I probably won't finish my whole head. I might just do around the crown because I'm not keeping it in that long. I have a photo shoot coming up on the 22nd. So yeah, I'm going to do something else to my hair for that. So let's get started. And I'm not putting edge control on my edges because I need to catch it. I'll use the edge control at the end. So I'm going to just part it like this. And I want to do small parts. And I'm not doing squares. I'm trying to do like a small circle. I may need the comb. Alright, so that's good enough. So next I'm going to take my hair and then put it like I'm getting ready to braid it, twist it around my hair. And I separate it into three. You can do it like this, or you can already have it separated into three, however you want to do it. Then I braid it down a little, and then I separate it again into two. And I'm trying to make it even so so the single-leaf twist won't look funny. So I got it separated into two, and then I'm gonna roll and twist, roll and twist. Roll and twist, roll and twist until it starts to make the twist, the single-leaf twist. Roll and twist, roll and twist, roll and twist, roll and twist, all the way until you get to the end. And then it became uneven at the end, so I tried to make it even again, but just keep rolling and twisting, rolling and twisting. Oh, by the way, I don't know if anybody, well, if y'all know, but I am natural. I've been natural going on 3 years, I believe. I straightened my hair to get it like this. That's why it looks like this. But before I did this, I did have two braids in. But I am natural, and I always straighten my hair sometimes before I braid it. It just makes it easier on me instead of having to, you know, part through my kind of natural hair. And I think my hair is 4B, 4C, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, so that's how my twist look, and that's the ends. And I usually burn the ends right up in here, but I'm not doing that step today. I'll probably do it later if I have some time, but more than likely I'll just dip it so it can have that natural look. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And I'll just keep going until I finish. And I may come back at the end of this video and show y'all how I did once I completed it. I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep going, and I'll insert a picture at the beginning too if I can find one. If not, oh well. But yeah, that's how you do these. And I just wanted to show y'all. Oh, I messed that one up a little, but that's all right. But I just wanted to show y'all how you do single leaf twists. Very easy. And yeah, that's it. So watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment, let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Hey y'all, and welcome back. So I finished most of my hair. I'm lying, not most of it, but I finished the front, and this is how it looks. I got tired and I stopped, but yeah, this is how far I got. Let me flip it around so you can see. And I'll probably finish more tomorrow, but the reason for me doing like the small circles is so it could lay, you know, neat. And so yeah, I just wanted to come back and show y'all how far I got and what it looked like. So yeah, and that's how you do single leaf twists. And I'll be back with more videos. I may do more makeup videos because I know in one of them I didn't finish all the way to the end, and I'm sorry about that, but I just felt like I messed up, and I just still wanted to, you know, post it because the beginning I guess was still good. But I played in makeup today, played with some loose glitters. That's why I got all this glitter right here, and I messed my eyebrows up because I've been rubbing my face. But yeah, that's it, and I'll be back. Bye.